Dust on his boots, lines on his face. He comes home weary from that hard-worn place. Sun beating down, I see him bend and sway. There's a love in his eyes that brightens every day. He's building a future, brick by painful brick. For us, his children, gotta make it quick. He doesn't want us knowing the struggles he's known. He wants us to rise above, plant seeds of our own.
I've seen him working under the pale moonlight, heard him whisper prayers in the lonely night. Those calloused hands, they built this life we share. And every sacrifice he makes with such care.
He's building a future, brick by painful brick. For us, his children, gotta make it quick. He doesn't want us knowing the struggles he's known. He wants us to rise above, plant seeds of our own. So hard.
He said, darling, I'm reaching for the stars,
so you can fly higher than I ever could dream. So your life's a river, not a muddy stream.
He's building a future, brick by painful brick. For us, his children, gotta make it quick.
He doesn't want us knowing the struggles he's known. He wants us to rise above, plant seeds of our own. Stronger than his scars, that's what we'll be. A testament to love for all the world to see. Time is done and he's laid to rest, I'll know his love built us the very best. My Father's hands, a love that never ends.